Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to send Litecoin from Bitmart to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but it's always good to double-check the steps to avoid any hiccups. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring your Litecoin like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Bitmart account with some Litecoin in it and a Robinhood account where you want to receive the funds. Always double-check that your Robinhood wallet is ready to accept Litecoin. It's usually under the crypto section. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Litecoin balance there. That's where the magic starts. Step 2. Select Litecoin from your wallet list and click on the Withdraw or Send option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch to your Robinhood app or website. Go to your Litecoin wallet details and copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Paste it accurately into Bitmart to ensure your funds go to the right place. Step 3. Enter the amount of Litecoin you want to send. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated total to avoid surprises. In 2025, Bitmart uses the latest Lightning Network for faster, cheaper transactions, but always review the details before confirming. Step 4. Hit the Confirm button. You'll need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Depending on network congestion, it could take a few minutes to an hour. Finally, once it's done, log back into Robinhood and refresh your wallet. Your Litecoin should appear shortly. Pro tip: keep an eye on transaction fees and use tools like blockchain explorers to track your transfer in real time. And there you have it. You're all set. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.